Imagine sitting on your comfy couch, sipping a cup of coffee, and generating a steady stream of income, all thanks to Bitcoin mining. Yes, you heard that right. With BitHarvest, all that could be your day to day reality. Just a one time investment of $1,000 can unlock a life of relaxed prosperity, bringing you a $100 bonus and even better, a daily income ranging from $5 to $10. Over a month, you'd rack up a stress free income of $200 to $300. Worried about technical difficulties or security issues? Fear not. BitHarvest provides a secure, transparent, and user friendly platform that doesn't require any intricate knowledge of coding or blockchain. And guess what else is on offer? A team of professionals at your service 24/7, ready to guide you through any queries or issues. Set up your BitHarvest account, choose your preferred mining device or booster, and let your Bitcoin mine itself. The clock is ticking.